fabric. You've seen I've put a number of colors which are not the that I use. Yeah, they're mixed. The powder, or I can use the liquid. Sometimes I add the star. So today I have a lot of laundry to fold and some to iron. So let's take down this. And I'm still having another load to wash. So then this, I decided to add a gant just for the safety of the machine. It will take some time before it goes on. Okay, and then we have the inlet and the outlet to the machine. And this is how the machine looks. We have a few clothes to wash. This is what I use. There's the Star Soft. I like lavender. You can see also this lavender. Or sometimes I use the powder, but I find this more economical. So let's get down to it. This is the LG model. It has all these functions. But the good thing with this machine, you can connect to Wi-Fi. It is able to alert you when it's done washing. And it has the steam cycle and the sign that does not use the
Let's open the compartment where you put the soap and the softener. The softener you put here, and your soap you put it here. So let's go ahead and put our parcel.
Kindly, if you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe. Give this video a like. It helps it to spread to other people. And also comment. Let me know what you think about this kind of content. And share with your friends. It will help them in some way. I'm doing mixed colors because the machine will help me select the option that I want. That is mixed fabric. So I'll just but the weight I'll keep them assigned. But to remember to, if you have some running colors, please keep them assigned, wash them separately. This is a 9 kg machine, so it can take quite a bigger load of clothes, since I use it even to wash the duvets. After I've loaded the machine, I'll put it on. Then we go to the mixed fabric. You've seen I've put a number of colors which are not they are mixed colors. So I used mixed fabric. And then you turn it, press this for it to start washing. The good thing with this machine, you can see it has these options. If you've forgotten an item, you can press here and add the item, then press again here, and you are going to go. You don't have to be stuck. So let's see how long it will take for the mixed fabric. Mostly my white clothes, I'll soak them separately and wash them separately. And don't like it has mixed fabrics option, but I don't. Mostly the white clothes, I don't mix them with the other clothes. I wash them, I soak them and wash them separately. So let's see. You can see the clothes are. You have to take time. Then this the timing. 1 hour 21 minutes. My white clothes, I soak them separately. I'm currently using Clorox. I think the jig is disappointing me, so I'm trying to use Clorox and see if there will be a difference. So I pre-soak them and wash them separately. This machine came with this cover. When it's so dusty and like it has been, this is what you use to cover your machine, just to protect it. I bought this machine from Road Point, the one near GPO. Yeah, so it came with this cover. This is what I always cover my machine. So you can see this signed as cotton plus, mixed fabric, easy care, silent wash, allergy care, baby steam care. When you come on this side, there's delicate, hand, wool, sportwear. That time I used the quick 30. It's 30 mini when there are few clothes and they are not so dirty. Then you can use even this. I use this machine to wash my duvet. You can see there's an option. And this machine, you have to keep cleaning it after some cycles. There's the option of tube clean. Yeah, I will do a video on how to clean your machine. Then there's a download cycle here. That's the options that it has. Actually, this machine has really relieved me a lot of stress. I remember before that and washed so many clothes with Ariel, and my fingers, my goodness, was so badly injured. I think the area is so rough or something. So this has really saved my hands and my back. So you can just go ahead and do other things as you wait for your machine to run. This is just a whole 1 hour. You can be washing your house, your utensils, yeah, folding away your laundry. A lot of other things can happen. These are lifesaver, this machine. In case you forget one item, this is what you do. Press here. Give it time to open up. Just open up and your item, close, and press again to pick up from there. Actually, this machine, if the power goes out, it will pick up from where it left. Just leave your machine on. When the power is back, it will just go back to cleaning. That's the best thing about this machine. You can see it has picked up.